So a few things have happened. Number one, name's no longer Vim Salesman. I just changed it to my GitHub username, NYCRat. I've been gone for like 3 months because I was busy. I mean, I probably could have made videos in that time, but I didn't. But I will now because new series, making a game. So this new series is just gonna be a game called Duck Simulator, and I'm gonna be recording videos, documenting the process, and also taking suggestions from you guys, right? Whatever you think should be added to the game, what you find interesting. If you have any advice for me, put that in the comments. I'm using Three.js along with, actually I haven't decided for the backend yet. But pretty much it's a game where you swim around in a pond. It's a duck. It will be a multiplayer game, and you go around collecting as much bread people throw at you as possible, and whoever eats the most bread wins the game. That's the basic idea from now. We'll add more features later. That's the idea. So this is Duck Simulator devlog episode 0. Setting up the front end, getting more familiar with Three.js, and also handling some user input as well. Alright, enjoy the video.